Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Really sharp and clean, all-white hull with silver boot stripe, chrome graphics that look really nice with the white rub rail and stainless steel insert. Standard hardtop on the 280 Vantage now, really big and beefy. Incredible running boat that's powered by twin 300 V8 Verados from Mercury with joystick control. We've also got Lenco trim tabs and underwater lights, swim platforms that are angled away from the outboards on the back end, and a nice telescoping reboarding ladder. We'll make our way up inside. We've got a full walk-through transom so I can get from one swim platform to the other. As we make our way into the boat, we have a live well on the port side corner. If you want to fish this boat, great open cockpit, nice swing-in dive door for bringing in that big catch, but it also makes for a great access to and from the water if you're anchored or beached. Got a stainless steel swing-in handle here, and there's also a receiver in the floor to drop a reboarding ladder, in addition to the one you have off the starboard transom. Two fish boxes in the floor on either side on gas shocks. Those are pump-out fish boxes. Big access to your systems that you always would expect from Boston Whaler. Laid out very nicely, very well done. Easy to keep clean as well. Nice owner-operator experience. Padded bolster on the stern seat. Stern seat deploys really nice and easy. Big oversized cushions. Heavy-duty stainless steel hardware, but no exposed hardware. Nice high backrest, very comfortable for two adults. Rod holders along the back, recessed cleats that are along the back, and you've also got a freshwater sprayer as you enter behind a closable cockpit door. Tow rails and a raw water washdown connection on the starboard side, along with your battery switches and connection point to a battery charger, also on the starboard side. You've got an aft-facing jump seat here with a little cooler box that's drained beneath. Forward of the seat, you've got a solid surface Corian countertop with a hidden cutting board prep area and a freshwater sink beneath that. Storage locker beneath the counter space. Off to the port side here, we have storage beneath this portion of this port side lounger. That's also where your reboarding ladder is stowed for that swing-in dive door. Cockpit table mounts here. And then this seat has a few different reclining positions. I can have an aft-facing lounger here with a reclined backrest in addition to the neutral position, or I can drop this all the way down, have a full sunbed, even lean against this padded bolster for something even larger, or I can do the same facing forward. I pop this backrest forward, and now I can recline facing this direction. If you've got a lot of people on board the boat at once and you want to lay this down, this is also a great way to just sit a bunch of people side by side, and everyone's still comfortable. Charging ports, cup holders, access to speakers, or proximity to speakers close by behind this lounger. Really nice head area with a big heavy-duty door that's on a magnetic catch. This is also a great place for storage. Got a porcelain vacuum flush style toilet with overboard discharge, freshwater sink. There's also a storage shelf that stows away on that back wall. And then upgraded C-deck flooring in there as well. Glove box here, great for hiding wallets, keys, or valuables. You've got the upgraded deluxe dash with the acrylic dash to the port side, in addition to the black bezel behind the Simrad touchscreen unit. Captain's chair has a flip-up bolster and adjustable armrests. Got a nice wrapped steering wheel on a tilt base, digital throttle and shift with those Mercury Verados, joystick with the autopilot and skyhook features. Mentioned the trim tabs. We've also got LED indicators rocker style toggle switches, VHF radio, and controls for our spotlight. Cup holder in a nice recessed area that's drained, so I can easily keep my phone there with easy access to it. Nice wrapped brow on the dash, helps keep the glare off the sun. Big oversized hardtop. Got stainless steel grab rails here for some extra support when needed. Overhead lighting. JL audio speakers up in the hardtop. And rocket launcher style rod holders along the back. There's also storage behind the starboard console that you can actually access from two sides. So this is great for larger items. We have the bow shade kit currently stowed in here since it's a little bit longer, but also good for storing canvas, larger beach items. And then you also have easy access to a trash receptacle right there. You can close off the bow from the cockpit area on those colder running days. Close the block off door, close the windshield, big heavy duty windshield up here. And then very comfortable seating area up in the bow. There's storage beneath all three of these. You already saw this one. All finished out, all drained, so you can use them as coolers if you'd like. Hinges are all on a gas shock. But a very comfortable place to sit. Nice, deep bow area. Armrests that fold down on both sides. Stainless steel grab rail is recessed, so it's not an awkward or uncomfortable position when you're resting your arm. You have the fourth freshwater sprayer on the boat up here. Rod holders are for the bow shade kit, those stanchions. Windlass anchor beneath this lid on a gas hinge also. You also have the reboarding ladder up in the bow, so you don't have to choose one or the other. You can have both. And that's a walkthrough of this Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.